I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy LS7Ride254. We tune in for another one. Out here, it just rained yesterday. It feels like it's gonna rain again. I don't know if it's done yet. See, I'm rocking the productivity over procrastination t-shirts. I ain't no fucking model or something, but you see what the shirt look like. It's a black shirt, you know what I'm saying? I like it. It's rocking. Productivity over procrastination. If you want them, hit me and we can get you one ordered. Let me know your size or whatever. Like I said, the information been down in the description below, but there was no shirt to order. The identifying your weaknesses and making your strength t-shirts are coming, but because I already had this one on, I just wanted to show y'all this one. You know, if this is the design y'all want to go with, then we can rock with that one. So they are $25 shipped. No, 27 bucks shipped to your door, straight like that. What else was I gonna say? I think that was it.